Hello, welcome back once again. Today we have this interesting Olympiad mathematics problem. And in this video, we're going to solve for the value of x that will satisfy the given equation. The x root of x is equal to 4. We know the left hand side, we can write that as x raised to the power of 1 all over x, right? So this is equal to 4. Now clearly we can say that x cannot be equal to 0, right? Because the exponent here is going to be undefined because we have division by x. And again, can x be greater than 0? Let's check it out. If x is equal to 1, we get 1 raised to the power of 1, which is 1. If x is equal to 2, we get 2 raised to the power of 1 over 2, which is same as root 2. There's something you need to observe. If x is approaching infinity, this left hand side is approaching 1, right? Because 1 divided by infinity tends to 0, therefore we have something raised to the power of 0, which is 1, right? So x is not greater than 0, but x can be less than 0. Well, a very nice way to observe this is through the graphical approach, okay? But in this video, since x is less than 0, let's do the following. Let's consider this piecewise definition of a function. We know that the natural log of x will exist if x is greater than 0, right? Now, if x is less than 0, then the natural log of x cannot exist, right? Rather, we say the natural log of negative x will exist if x is less than 0. You get the idea? So now, use this idea, let us ln both sides of this equation. So we have the ln of x raised to the power of 1 over x. This is equal to the ln of 4. Now with the property of logarithm, this power is coming down here. So we have 1 all over x, then multiply by the natural log of, remember that x is less than 0. So the ln of x cannot exist, but rather we give it as negative x, right? Since x is less than 0, then this is equal to, we know this is natural log of 2 raised to the power of 2. Now from here, what is next? Let's multiply both sides by negative 1. So we have here negative 1 over x times the natural log of negative x. This is equal to, this power is coming down, so it will be negative 2 times the natural log of 2. You get the idea? Now, negative 1 over x, we can write it as 1 all over negative x. Stay the same. Then times the natural log of negative x. This is equal to negative 2 times the ln of 2. Okay. Now, let's recall. We know that a raised to the power of b is the same as e raised to the power of b times the ln of a. Okay, so here let's first write this as negative x raised to the power of negative 1, because that is the meaning of 1 over negative x. Then multiply by the natural log of negative x. This is equal to negative 2 times the ln of 2. Okay, now use this idea here. So this will become e raised to the power of negative natural log of negative x. Then multiply by the natural log of negative x. This is equal to negative 2 times the ln of 2. Now we need the power of e to be equal with this expression here. So we're going to multiply both sides by negative 1. By so doing, this will be negative natural log of negative x times e raised to the power of negative natural log of negative x. So this is equal to, this will become 2 times the ln of 2. Now we can use the Lambert W function on both sides of this equation, okay? So let's use the Lambert W function on both sides of this equation. Now, how do we simplify the left-hand side? We're going to observe the following. We know this property of the Lambert W function. The Lambert W function of k times e to the power of k simplifies to k. You can see this is equal with this, and here, this is equal with this. Therefore, it will simplify to negative natural log of negative x. So this is equal to, this can be simplified using the Lambert W function, right? So observe that this right over here is same as the w of, remember this 2 here is same as e raised to the power of ln of 2. You get the idea? Then multiply by the ln of 2, right? Now use this property, you will see this and this, they are equal. Therefore, this right hand side simplifies to natural log of 2. Now, with this property of logarithm, remember this is like -1 times natural log of negative x, right? So what is next? We're going to, this -1 is same as the power of negative x, so we write as natural log of negative x raised to the power of -1, right? Then this is equal to the natural log of 2. Now, if you have that the natural log of a is equal to the natural log of b, then this implies that a is equal to b. That is, the two arguments are equal, right? So here we have that negative x raised to the power of -1 must be equal to 2, right? Now we can raise both sides to the power of -1, right? So raise both sides to the power of -1. So we know this -1 times -1 will give us positive. So we are left with negative x. So this is equal to, this will be 1 over 2, right? And from here, multiply both sides by -1, we get our solution. X is equal to -1 over 2 or -0.5. And this right over here is our solution. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Also like, comment, and share.